In this video, I'll be going over how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Here is an example, 5 3/4. To convert mixed number to improper fraction, we would take the whole number times the denominator and then add the numerator. And that will be our new numerator. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. So we have 23 over 4. And that's the improper fraction. Now we can check. Now if we want to check if we did this correctly, all we have to do is to divide the numerator by the denominator and see if the answer come out to 5 3/4. So we can go ahead and take 23 divided by 4, and here we'll have 5, 20, so 23 minus 20 is 3. So the improper fraction then, so the mixed number would be 5 3/4. And that's the same as the original question. This tells us that the improper fraction that we got of 23 over 4 is correct. Now let's try another one. Using the same step, we will take 4 times 9 and then add the 7. 4 times 9, 36, plus 7, 43. So we will have 43 over 9 as the improper fraction. To check if we did this correct, 43 divided by 9, 4, 36. 43 minus 36, we can have 7. That's the remainder. So the mixed number would be 4 7 9. And this matches the original problem, which tells us that the improper fraction that we got is correct. Now here's another example. So we're going to take 9 times 5 plus 3. So 9 times 5 is 45 plus 3 equals 48. So the improper fraction would be 48 over 5. Now to double check this, 48 divided by 5, we will have 9. 3 as a remainder. So the whole number is 9. The remainder is the numerator. Divisor is the denominator. So this number, 9 3/5, matches the original problem. And this tells us that we did the improper fraction correctly. Here's a final example. So we're going to take 6 times 2. Then we're going to add the 1. So we have total is 13. So the answer is 13 over 2. Again, we're going to check the answer. So we take 13 divided by 2. 6. 13 minus 12 is 1. That's the remainder. So the mixed number will be 6 1/2. Number matches the original problem, which tells us that the improper fraction that we calculated is correct. So these 4 are examples of how you would convert mixed number to improper fractions. Hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching.